Yo, what's good, boys? So, what's up, Ruby? Alright, so yesterday we beat our original time of 9 to 8:30. So I'm gonna try to be 8:30 today. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1, go. And start with the usual expand. I'm gonna go. Where is it? Okay, here. Hard layer. Let's go. Hey, add some strings to that. Let's go. Genealogy. I'm gonna turn on my artillery real quick. I like that. Bass. If y'all watched my past videos, you know this is my favorite bass. We're currently at 230. I don't know if I'm gonna beat the time. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, I just gotta leave it at that and get to the drums. Okay, split it up. Make them audio clips. 1, 2, 3. Bring them out, chop them up. Boom, 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 boom. Add some drums. Wait a minute. No, I'm on the wrong one. Yeah. If y'all want these drum kits, go check out chambersmixtape.com for our YouTuber. Tune the progression real quick. It's D sharp, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 down or 7 up. That sounds so wrong. Okay. What key are we in? I'm losing time. I'm already at 4 minutes, bro. We might have to cut the drums. G sharp, bro. That's 5. 1, 2. Okay, what? Per 7, 5. Does it sound good if I go like this? Okay, screw the cabo. We don't have time. Just grab these, and we're gonna get the 808. For fudge on there. Bro, I'm cooked on time. Okay, we just gotta get to the mixer. Let's mix it. All. And drag that down. Commando. Bust them up. Where my bass at? Okay, structure it. We are at 6, almost 7. We gotta do this fast. Okay, here's a full beat. Final time is 7:50. Peace and love. See you in the next video.